Siemens KNX IP Secure products. Properties. In this chapter, we will talk about the following topics: secure communication and remote access, electromechanical properties of KNX IP Secure products, all device codes required for commissioning, and the parameterization in ETS. Secure communication via KNX IP Routing Secure. The Siemens KNX IP Secure products use the described procedure KNX IP Secure. Like its predecessors, the IP Router Secure N14603 can be used instead of TP line or area couplers, and uses the KNX IP Routing Secure method. This secure transmission method can be deactivated in ETS. This means that this product can also be used in existing systems with older, non-secure IP routers as an expansion or replacement device. In the following section, you will learn everything about the other features of the Siemens KNX IP Secure products. Secure remote access via KNX IP Tunneling Secure. The IP Router Secure N14603 and the IP Interface Secure N14823 have 4 parallel secured tunnel connections. These allow secure access to KNX systems with ETS for maintenance and diagnostic purposes, and other software products such as visualizations. The first time an IP tunnel interface is used, the configure password of this IP tunnel interface is queried. Secure access is of course also possible via the local network or via the Internet. Bus connection and power supply. The Siemens KNX IP Secure products are equipped with the traditional black-red bus connection terminal. In order to relieve the KNX power supply, they require additional power supply. This additional supply is provided either via Power over Ethernet (PoE) or via the additional yellow-white connection terminal with AC/DC 24 volts. Of course, it is also possible to use the unchoked voltage of the bus power supply for this purpose, but never connect the KNX bus directly to the auxiliary voltage terminals. Factory Default Setup Key, FDSK. The so-called Factory Default Setup Key is required for safe commissioning. The Siemens KNX IP Secure products have attached this key to the housing in the form of 3 QR codes. One of these labels should be removed before or at the latest during installation and handed over to the system integrator who creates the ETS project. MAC address and serial number. The MAC address required for managed DHCP operation and for easier recognition of the product in the ETS communication browser is located as usual on the front shoulder of the housing. The KNX serial number required for assignment of the physical address is located on the right-hand side on the bottom right. There are LEDs for operation status indications. 5 LEDs indicate the operating status of the products. Run operating indicator is green when the products are ready for operation. TX or RX KNX, yellow, indicates when KNX telegrams are sent or received on the twisted pair side. Link. If it is green, the Ethernet connection is active. TX. Red indicates when telegrams are being sent on Ethernet. RX. Yellow indicates receipt of Ethernet telegrams. Parameterization in the ETS. Application. The parameterization of the Siemens KNX IP Secure devices is similar to its predecessor. The following settings are made within the ETS standard dialog. IP network addresses. That means multicast address and TCP IP address, and whether this IP address should be assigned manually or automatically via DHCP. Assignment of the device name under which the device can be found in the ETS communication browser. And finally, the option for secure commissioning and tunnels. That means whether they should be active at all, and if so, which passwords are set for them. The device parameters of the IP Router Secure contain separately adjustable directional forwarding strategies for broadcast, group, and individual communication via physical addresses, as known from the predecessor N14602. The IP Secure interface N14823 has no further parameters. Many thanks for watching. Next, learn how to create a new ETS project with the KNX IP Secure product.